everyone. Thanks for watching my channel, back to Aroma's Kitchen. So I'm going to show you today how to make a chicken burger and basically chicken patty, and it's a homemade chicken patty and healthy and really healthy and spicy flavored and Indian style and homemade. So you can make it as many as you want it, and you can basically freeze it and use it anytime you need it. So I took one piece of chicken breast, but I cut it in a very small pieces, and you can see that small pieces. And to make the chicken patty, the chicken burger, I have some fresh ingredients. That's the cilantro, green chili, and green onion. I really like the green onion in the chicken patty. It tastes so good. And this is the white onion I used. So usually the red onion, but I like to use white onion in the chicken patty. So the red onions, when you basically cooked or bake, the red onions give you a very different look. So I always use a white onion. I have some garlic here. So basically for one piece of chicken breast, I use like 3 pieces of garlic. I don't use the ginger in the chicken patty for the burgers, so I only use the garlic. And all the Indian spices I have, and you don't have to have the Indian spices. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. So mine is like I have a salt, 1 teaspoon, and the black pepper, red chili, garam masala, and cubic seeds. So this is, I have 5 spices and all these ingredients, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make a really good homemade chicken patty today. Okay, so I'm going to chop the garlic. So you don't need to do really fine. So just basically big pieces of everything. So green onion, and the green chili is up to you. If you want it, you can. If you don't want it, it's your choice. And I always like the cilantro to go together with chicken. So I'm going to add some chicken, a little bit at a time. So basically a half of the chicken I add in it, and after that we're going to add the spices inside this one, because then it all blend together. Okay. So you can see how the chicken and all the green onions, the green chili, everything is. So now is you can come and you can see that the ingredients, green onion and green chili, they are all. Now the leftover chicken, the half chicken I added before with everything, and now half chicken I'm going to add it more in it and then blend everything together. How nicely it's the chicken blending with all the ingredients. Now the time is to add all the spices in it. So the garam masala, red chili if you want it, salt, the cumin seeds, so the black pepper. Okay, and let's blend everything together. See, now everything is ready, and now we can actually make the patties, and I can show you how to make it. Okay, so I got the non-stick pan and I have this olive oil. So very little oil, you really don't need too much oil. So very little oil. And to make the patty, you can see how we grind the chicken and all the ingredients and the spices all together. So this comes like, you know, but we need to make the patty. I need a water, like a warm water in a little, like a pan, like any dish, so to make those patties. So I always add the water in my hand. So it depends how big you want it, and it's really good if you make those patties and freeze it, and you can use as much as you want it. You can make it one time and freeze it and use for a whole week. So, and the thick or thin, that's your choice. I don't like too thick, I like thin, so always put the water on the hands, and it's really easy to make once you have the water. So that's the way you can make it and freeze it and reuse it. Healthy and fresh. The kids will like it if you don't add the spices in it. So you can see you don't need too much oil, but you see the patty, the chicken patty, it's coming, and it's amazing. The flavor for this one is very unique. So you can see how this chicken patty is coming. Nice and brown, and you can make it and freeze it and reuse it as many times, and it's very unique recipe I use for my own kids. I always make and freeze it and they can use it at home, quick and easy. Okay, so these are the chicken patties. You can see how like a light brown, and it's soft. You can see it's very soft, very unique flavor, and try it, and it's ready to serve. You can serve like this, or you can make a burgers, or if not burgers, you can use like, you know, same like this one with the rice or naan bread or anything. But do try this recipe. It's very simple, very unique, and I tried so many times. My kids loves it. Please do try this, and if you don't have time, come to Aroma. We can make it for you. 715 East 12300 South in Draper, Utah, and we can make it for you. Please do subscribe to my channel so you get the new videos with the new recipes. Thank you so much.